Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a real or virtual device and the matching SDK so builds run predictably. Once you have Android Studio installed, open SDK Manager and install the platform tools, a matching API image, and build tools. Make sure developer options and USB debugging are enabled on the phone or configure a DB over Wi-Fi. Then create or update an emulator with the same API level. This alignment prevents runtime crashes and speeds up iterative testing, while you write your first activity and layout. Now you begin building. Create an empty activity project, pick Kotlin for modern support, and set a minimum SDK compatible with your device. Once the project opens, run Gradle sync to fetch dependencies, and then add any libraries in build. Gradle. Implement UI in XML or Jetpack Compose and declare permissions in Android Manifest. XML. Use run to install the APK on your device, and use apply changes for quick code updates. Monitor Logcat and the debugger to trace crashes and performance issues while iterating on features. To finish, write unit and instrumented tests and run them on the device or emulator to validate behavior. Once stable, create a signed APK or AAB via build generate signed bundle/APK and follow the keystore steps to preserve app identity. Make sure ProGuard and versioning are configured before release. If installation or runtime fails, verify the min SDK and ABI match, check keystore signature mismatches, confirm a DB authorization, and inspect Logcat for stack traces. Often a missing permission or mismatched dependency is the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.